Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Welcome you all in the online classes from the Golden Flower Public School. I am here today to explain polynomials from class 10. My topic is polynomials. The first question is that what is polynomials? What is polynomials? A function, a function px is equal to a1 x to the power 1, a2 x to the power 2, a3 x to the power 3, dot an x to the power n is called polynomials. Poly, Polynomials. In this polynomial, you are just watching a0, a1, a2, a3, and up to an. What are these? These are known as coefficients of polynomials. Coefficients of polynomials. These are known as coefficients of. These are also known as constant because they are numbers. They never change its value in any situation. That is why they are known as constant. Where x, whose value varies as per the condition, as per the situation, so it is known as variables. Variables. For examples, 2x plus 1 is a polynomial. 3x squared plus 4x plus 3 is also a polynomial. In these examples, we are watching exponents. Maximum exponent 2, maximum exponent 1. So, exponent means power of variables must be non-negative. Non-negative. Non-negative means it never be negative. It should be positive. For example, 3 upon x plus 2 is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial because the exponent of x will be minus. Clear? Terms. First of all, I am going to write a polynomial 3x squared 4x minus 7. This one is called term. This part is also called term, and this is also called term. Means how many terms are there in this polynomial? 3. The number of terms is equal to 3. Number of terms 3. And terms are 3x squared, 4x, minus 7. These 3 are terms. Clear? Now on the basis of terms, types of polynomial. See. On the basis of terms, types of polynomials. Number one, monomial. Number two, binomial. Number three, trinomial. Number four, multinomial. Multinomial. What are they? They are monomials, binomials, trinomials, and multinomials. These are on the basis of terms. For example, we want to give an example, so we can write 2x or 3x square, etc. For binomial, we have to write two terms, 2x plus 1 like that, 3x square plus 2 like that, 3x square plus 4x, etc. For trinomial, 3x plus 1 plus 2x square, 7x cube plus 2 plus 7x. Multinomial means terms must be terms, number of terms must be more than 3. In monomial, just one term, having one term, two terms, three terms, and more than 3 terms, multinomials. For example, 7x to the power 4, 6x cube, 2x square minus 17x plus 9. This is also polynomial, but its term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms, so it is considered as multinomials. In brief, we can say a polynomial having one term is monomial, a polynomial having two terms is binomial, a polynomial has 3 terms, trinomial, and more than 3 terms having polynomial are known as monomials. Now, come on the next topic. Next term, degree. Degree. What is degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial. In any polynomial, the maximum power of variable is called degree. For example, 3x 7, 2x plus 7. How many terms? 3. Variable says x. Powers of x are 7 and 1. Which one is greater? 7. So what will be the degree? Degree is called 7. Clear? What is degree? The maximum power of variables. On the basis of degree, Types of polynomial. Polynomial. Type of number 1. Degree 1 linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Degree 2 quality. Quality polynomial. Degree 3. Degree 3 cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Degree 4 biquadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Polynomial. So on the basis of degree, how many types of polynomials are there? 4. First, if degree is 1, then the polynomial is known as linear polynomial. If degree is 2, then polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, polynomial is known as cubic polynomial. If degree is 4, it is considered as biquadratic polynomials. Understood? I hope you understood it. In the next video, I will come with zeros of the polynomials and so many other things. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.